Hi, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, kind of a bearish day on Wall Street today, one of the biggest ones we've had all year, but that's okay, we're still making trades. Here we are in pre-market on GPRO in the GrokStar room. We did this one, and what is this? This is a symmetrical triangle. You want to know more about that formation? You can go to our chart school go to freeonline tradingeducation.com, right here to where it says chart school, and then look for a symmetrical triangle, and it can either be a bullish or bearish formation depending on where it's at. And here we are, a written description of it and a picture of it, where it's getting tighter and tighter here, where like a coiled spring, ready to either break out or break down. Now in this particular situation, it was coming up this way, and it's in this symmetrical triangle, so that makes it a little more bullish. So I set a trade up here ready to go long, and let's see what happened next. And boom, there it goes. It popped up here, and I got long at $80.30. I'm long GoPro. By the way, this price action over here right now is alive, the market as we speak. It just popped up and is back into that area after falling most of the day. Anyway, back to our trade. So we got our stop set right down here at the $80 even area, and boom, 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 and then it pulls right back, and then it continues on up. So it just did a little high base here briefly, and now I'm going to pull my stop up here just underneath that base, because that's going to be now could be support since it was resistance. Look at this, pops all the way up here, hits its head here on this line of resistance. So I went ahead and I took out half at $81.61 for 1.8% on that first half. And then I started to pull back, so I'm pulling my stop up underneath this 8 EMA, that's that red line there, and keeping it just below that area because it has not pierced it yet, has it, on this run up. And then bam, it came down here and got me out at $71.28 for 2.1% on the second half. And let's see what happened after that. Yeah, it just kind of fannered around and then started to fall. So let's take a look at this whole trade. We had a symmetrical triangle, also known as a bull panic, because it ran up and then it pinching like this, and it broke out from there, and as it hit its head on resistance, I took out half as it stalled, and then it pulled back below the 8 EMA and stopped me out in the second half for 1.4% in 16 minutes. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Hey, on one of these volatile days, you just have to remember the quote that price is king, volume is queen, and volatility, it must be the joker. Trade well.